Hello and welcome to Zenon environments for ZenMobile application. In this video we will explain this part of the application which is titled server and currently holds Sabo Brewery as a name. And this is basically the server or the project environment that you specify that the application should connect to. ZenMobile application allows you to select from a list of environments that you can predefine, and it is mainly here to first pre-fill your production server environment for all your users. But you can also add here multiple test and quality assurance and volume test environments as you like, or you can even connect to different projects in your company and simply select them from the list. So here we will see how to add new environment. What is required is the name of the environment and the URL, which is the endpoint that the application will try to connect to. The connection is secure, so it needs to start with HTTPS. Then it's followed by the name of the host. It's either a domain name or an IP address. Then it's followed by the number of the port, typically 8050. Then Zen data. It's always all the Everywhere Server applications has the Zen data in the URL, and then the name of the project. And that's it, what is required to connect to an environment. When you select it, you will see it's here selected in the list, and you can simply start to log in. There is an option to pre-fill the username and the password. And it's typically here for the testing purposes. If you have a demo environment or test environment, you can specify the username and password here, and then you don't have to fill in the username and password on the login screen every single time. It's fully configurable, and you can disable this functionality at all. And there are additional authentication and credential options. I suggest you watch a separate video for that. There are a couple of operations that you can do on the list. So if you swipe to the left, you can reveal the options that you can do with every record. First of all, you can duplicate the record. So if you just have a small modification in the URL, for instance, or you want to provide the different credentials for testing purposes, you don't have to retype every single bit, but you can simply duplicate the environment, and it will be now named copy of the project, so you can rename it as you like and make your adjustments in the URL or credentials. If you provide the credentials, there is a small user icon after the name of the project in this list. And from this menu, you can also edit the record, and you can delete it, or you can delete it in the environment detail, as you can see here.